Welcome to Candy Claw's Nail Channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for Modelones. They sent me a nail kit and I don't know what is inside this box. It's a mystery. So I'm opening it and oh my gosh, no they didn't. So right off the bat, it looks like they gave a UV light, star UV gel lamp, and then it also comes with its cord, its power cord. Looks like you'll be able to see the numbers on the top. I love that part of it. I love being able to know how much time I got. They also gave me this nice little care package of all this stuff. Let's see what's inside. So we have our removal dedicated wipes. We have some gold and silver nail embellishments. Looks like we have a cuticle manicure tool to push your cuticles back. Let's see what this is. This is manicure tool. Let's see. Tweezers. Okay. Now we also have, I love this thing. We have a nail brush. Dust off all your nail shavings after you get done filing your nails. Got some toe separators. We have some UV gel cleansers, to get the tackiness away. We have some holographic flame stickers, ooh-wee. We also have a cuticle manicure tool, some nail clippers, and then some Cuticle Revitalizer Oil. I feel so spoiled right now. This is so fancy. This is extra fancy. I love this. I want to use this every day. We also got some 100-180 nail files. And then they also gave me some sample sizes of some Modelones colors. It looks like it's all neutral pink colors with some top coat, base coat, whites, pinks, mauves. I just want to say thank you so much, Modelones, and thank you so much for watching, whoever is out there watching. And I just want to take the time to say, if you like my video, please press like and subscribe to my channel. And let me know if you want to see anything else. Thank you so much.